Hi, let me show you the new features of the OPPO Reno5 Pro. First of all, it's super fast. But it can also do super slow. The camera comes with live HDR, keeping your photos great at any time. Daytime, nighttime. No worries, we got you covered round the clock.
Low battery.
No problem, charging has never been faster. Here at OPPO, we really care about the details. We also like to see things from both sides at the same time. Easy to carry along. Made to keep you going without limits. OPPO Reno5 Pro is ready. Are you?